What if I told you? A logo that once took designers 3 days to create can now be made by AI in less than 30 seconds. And some companies are already replacing designers with artificial intelligence tools. So the big question is, can AI replace graphic designers in 2026? Graphic design is changing faster than ever. A few years ago, becoming a designer meant learning complicated software like Photoshop and Illustrator for years. Today, AI tools can generate logos, posters, thumbnails, social media posts, and even full brand identities instantly. Platforms like Canva AI, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Adobe Express are making design easier than ever. You simply type a sentence, and AI creates professional-looking graphics in seconds. For beginners, this feels revolutionary, but for many designers, it feels terrifying. Imagine spending years mastering graphic design, only to watch AI create similar work almost instantly. That is exactly why many designers are nervous right now. Businesses love AI for 3 reasons. It is faster, it is cheaper, and it works 24 hours a day. Small companies no longer need expensive designers for simple tasks. Now they can use AI tools to generate quick designs for ads, logos, and social media content. And honestly, for basic designs, AI is already extremely good. But here is something important. Graphic design is not only about making things look beautiful. Great design is about emotion, storytelling, brand identity, human psychology. A professional designer understands how people think and feel. AI can generate designs, but it still struggles with true creativity and emotional understanding. That is why luxury brands, major companies, and creative agencies still rely heavily on human designers. Because humans create meaning, not just visuals. So, will graphic designers disappear completely in 2026? Probably not. But designers who ignore AI? That could become a huge problem. The future belongs to designers who learn how to use AI instead of fighting against it. AI can speed up workflows, generate ideas, create drafts, and automate repetitive work. Meanwhile, humans focus on creativity, strategy, storytelling, and branding. The smartest designers are already combining both worlds together, and that combination is incredibly powerful. Ironically, this might actually be the best time for beginners to start graphic design. Because AI removes many difficult barriers. You no longer need expensive equipment, years of experience, or advanced technical skills just to begin creating. Now beginners can focus on ideas, creativity, branding, and content creation. AI is making creativity more accessible than ever before, and the people who adapt early could dominate the future. So, can AI replace graphic designers? Maybe average designers, but truly creative people? Probably not. AI is not destroying graphic design, it is transforming it. And the future will belong to creators who learn how to work with AI instead of fearing it. What do you think? Will AI replace graphic designers someday? Comment below and subscribe for more AI and graphic design content every week.